Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, so after yesterday, very bullish day, we saw a lack of follow through. We did get a higher high getting up to 116.97, but then we saw some bearish activity, and while the markets were still bullish this morning, Facebook, Amazon, and Netflix all were looking bearish. They were the only three red names on my screen, and then we saw the markets go bearish, and that obviously didn't help Facebook. But one thing the bulls do have going for them is they did bounce off of this previous resistance. So I've been pointing out all these levels in the low 115 range, and we bounced off 115.36. So that's a good sign that those low 115 supports are holding, but we have the 50-day moving average back as resistance at 116.56, and looking like we need to consolidate a bit. So ideal scenario is for the bulls to hold 115 while we wait for these moving averages to catch up, consolidate a little bit, establish some strength, and then make another move towards that 50-day moving average resistance. The weekly chart looks great. We're confirming the bullish reversal candlestick from last week, maintaining middle Bollinger Band support, but rejecting from the 10-week resistance of 116.63. There's a lot of charts here that have a very bullish candlestick from last week, but they're not confirming it. So the fact that Facebook shouldn't be overlooked compared to a lot of other names that aren't doing this. Facebook is looking good. That being said, we need to get over this 10-week moving average. Otherwise, next week, we will find ourselves in a tightening channel between that resistance and the middle Bollinger Band support. And the range between those two is going to be less than $2. So it will be a very tight channel, and a very clear break is going to be coming likely next week. Close above the 10-week will have us looking at all-time highs. Close below the middle Bollinger Band will have us looking at the Brexit lows down at 108.23. So key weekly chart levels to keep an eye on. We'll check back in as always on Facebook. Have a great night.